Hello, my crafty friends. This is Nikki again, and I wanted to participate in the Oh So Inspired for August. And when I saw the inspiration piece with its embroidery hoops and the different papers, the thing that caught my eye was the spring market paper. And so I bought a 6x6 paper pad of that couple years ago, I guess. And I liked it so much that I bought the 12x12. So here's the spring market paper, and it comes with stickers. Okay. And so this is my card. And I wanted to show you how I made the watering can and the flowers. They are from the July 2017 Hero Arts Kit. And here are the stamps, the flowers, and the watering can. And I stamped the watering can on some silver, some bright silver, heavy cardstock. And then I popped these up on dimensionals. And I doubled the dimensionals here because of this layered piece. And the card base, the pink card base, is Gina K Designs Spring Collection. And this was a piece of ephemera. I bought the ephemera pack for the spring market. And then this is a sticker off of the sticker pack. And then here's another sticker from the sticker pack. So this is my project for the Oh So Inspired August 2019. Thanks to Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al. And thank you to all the other collaborators for all their wonderful inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.